So usually when you start your furnace tune-up, the first thing you want to do is do your 10-minute test. You turn the temperature up, let it run, give it a 10-minute run to make sure everything runs good. After the 10 minutes, you want to open it up and you want to start getting inside. You want to check to make sure the motor's good. You want to make sure all the wirings, everything is good.
We're going to start with just checking some of the amps on the exhaust, the inducer exhaust system. Make sure those are still intact, still within manufacturer specifications, and we'll go from there. Gives us a good reading of what the heat is coming out of the system. We got about 104 degrees, still climbing.
Hi, my name is Reed with Premier Heating and Air. As you can tell, weather's getting a little bit cooler. It's fall in Colorado, and right now is the perfect time to get your furnace tuned up. So if you need a tune-up, and if you haven't done it in a while, give us a call. Right now, we're doing a $49 tune-up special. Click the link below.